Good day, motorcycle enthusiast. We have something thrilling news for you today as Hero Motor gear up to revive an iconic name. The Charisma is making a comeback and it's coming back strong as the Hero Karizma XMR. Let's dive into the detail. Get ready for a roar. The countdown to the grand return of the Charisma XMR has officially begun. Hero has confirmed that early anticipated bike is set to hit the road on August 29th. Hold on to your helmet because we got a sneak peek for you. Hero has released a teaser showcasing the bike. The design previously spotted in spy shot is about to become a reality. Reviving memories of the past, the Hero Karizma XMR will pay tribute to its legendary previous model. The teaser revealed that the iconic yellow paint scheme, synchronized with the original Charisma, will make a comeback. Beyond the paint, there is innovation under the hood. The Hero Karizma XMR will powered by a brand new 210cc liquid cooled engine, a historic milestone for Hero. This engine is expected to deliver an impressive 25 PS power and 20 Newton meter torque. Adding to the buzz, Bollywood star Hrithik Roshan, the original Charisma brand ambassador, shared a teaser on a social media. His enthusiasm for Charisma XMR comeback has us all even more excited. Making Hero new flagship, the Charisma XMR represents the pinnacle of their offering. This premium ride is all set to redefine the market with the Project X showroom price of around 1.75 lakh. Reviving up for competition, the Hero Karizma XMR will take direct competition with Bajaj Pulsar RS200 and the Suzuki Gixxer SF250. A distinctive blend of innovation and premium appeal, the Charisma XMR is poised to make its mark in the two-wheel world. And there you have it, vlog thrilling preview of the Hero Karizma XMR. And there you have it, vlog thrilling preview of the Hero Karizma XMR return. Keep those calendar marked for August 29th and stay tuned for more updates as we urgently anticipated the reveal of an icon. This is Throttle's Time signing off.